Alright guys, well here we are. We got this my old 6.5 horse Honda. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, here we go. An old gx200. As you can tell, it has been sitting around for a little while. I haven't even checked the gas or anything. Oh yeah. Well, it's not looking very promising. Well, hey, what the heck? Let's see if I can get you guys out of the sun here. We'll see if it starts anyway. Yeah, it's not even thinking about it. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do here is try to just drain out what's in the carburetor real quick and just see if that makes a difference. I better find something to catch this in, so I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Nothing like a water bottle. Try to clean some of this mess off of here. I have to look back at the footage and see if I had the fuel turned off already, because it was dry and the gas doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell like totally spent. I don't know, these old Hondas, they usually run on just about anything, so we'll give it a shot again and see what happens. Yeah, the throttle's a little jacked up. I smell all kinds of stuff burning. It smells like burnt hair. Let me try it again. gonna say she's a runner. Even on this nasty old gas, she's running pretty good. But I guess maybe we can rig this thing up and do a test between a bone stock Honda 6.5 and a, well, I have two Predators, so I can do a bone stock Predator and a non-governed Predator. So I guess we'll just have to take this one thing at a time. But as for right now, she runs. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. You know, I mean, I've seen worse for sure, but I don't have a lot of hours on this. This came on an old DeWalt pressure cleaner that I had, and the pump went bad, and I shelved this motor because it ran good. And I'm gonna say it's probably been sitting for at least 2 years since I've even started it. It's been off the machine for like 5. But I've never taken the bowl off the carburetor. I've never really done anything. I probably should change the oil if we're going to do some testing with it, but well, only time will tell. So anyhow, I think I'm going to put a torque converter on this thing and see if I can't make it work on the go-kart, and then I'll have everything else figured out for when I put the Predator on it. So anyhow, there she is, Honda 6.5. We know it's not going to push this cart very well, but we're going to do it anyway. Why not?